Welcome to Crash Course Channel IELTS Speaking Test. Master it to get 9 of 9.
Now I'm going to ask you some general questions. Let's talk about what you do. Do you work or are you a student?
Well, at the moment I'm working. I'm teaching sports studies in a university.
What do you like about your job?
Well, I like the fact that I can have an imprint on people's lives and teach them valuable skills that they're going to use in life. I think this is particularly true teaching at a university. And I work with a great bunch of people, so yeah, we have a lot of fun.
Is there anything you don't like about your job?
Not really. I took up the job of teaching because I needed to fund my PhD. But now that I'm a teacher, I have less time for my research. So, what do they say? It's either time rich and money poor, or vice versa. Yeah, one day I hope to be both time rich and money rich at the same moment. But
would you think about changing your job?
No, I'm happy with where I am at the moment. I find it really fulfilling, but I don't know where I'm going to be in 10 years' time. But for now, it's okay.
Let's talk about holidays. Do you prefer holidays near the sea or in the countryside?
Depends, really. Both. I like, yeah, if the weather's great, I like to be by the sea. I love water sports, but I like walking and hiking as well, so a holiday in the countryside is fine as well.
What do you usually do on your holidays?
Well, if I'm by the sea, I like to swim. I'll do some windsurfing, maybe some sub-aqua, hang around with my mates. We'll play some beach volleyball. Yeah, just chat over some food and drink, that sort of thing. But yeah, if I'm in the countryside, then my uncle, he raises cattle. So I'll help him out on the farm and I'll do some hiking, trekking, and then catch up on some sleep.
Is having a holiday important to you?
Yeah, I think holidays are important to everyone.
Why?
Just because it's exhausting to be working all the time, and teaching is particularly exhausting as well. I think it's important to get some downtime to recharge the batteries and just to get out the city for a while. It feels good.
Let's talk about current affairs. How do you get your news of the world events?
I'm a real news junkie, so I will watch and read news on my phone a lot, an awful lot, and I'll watch TV news as well, but not so much nowadays, rarely.
Do you read newspapers?
Not so much. I might treat myself to a fat paper on a Sunday and have some coffee, but yeah.
Do your older friends or relatives read newspapers?
Yeah, more than I do. I think they've just got into the habit of reading the daily papers for years, and yeah, I've tried to tell my parents to stop reading the Dead Tree Press, but they won't listen to me.
Let's talk about shopping. Do you shop online?
Yes, I do actually. I get all of my music and books online. The range is enormous and it's infinite actually, whereas in town you can only get so much. So yeah.
Do you shop in real shops?
Yeah, if I have to. Yeah, I don't enjoy shopping, but I don't like shopping for clothes either online, because it's just annoying if you have to change the fit or the colour or anything like that. You've got to send it back. But I'm a very organised person, so I know exactly what I want and where to find it. I'll go into the shop and I'll try on the fit, I'll come back, and that's it. I won't spend my time looking around.
Has online shopping affected the shops in your hometown?
Not so much yet. I think that some of the smaller shops, specialised shops, have disappeared. The bigger global shops, they seem to be surviving okay for the moment, but I'm not sure how long that's going to last. Yeah, so I think my generation, actually, and the coming generation, they're going to see shops disappear a lot more. And I know that some people think that's a shame, and I do as well sometimes, but I don't think things are suddenly going to go into reverse, are they?
Do not forget to subscribe.